Hey, this is Alifi, and I would like to take this moment to welcome you back to my channel for another video. So in this video, I am going to show you these box braids that I put in my hair using the rubber band method. I had never, this is my first time doing box braids using the rubber band method, and this is the first time I think I've ever had braids in my hair this big. As a matter of fact, it is. It's the first time I've ever had braids in my hair this big. They're usually small, so this is actually pretty different for me, and I keep wondering, like, oh my god, does it look right or whatever. I mean, I've just gone through so many questions, I guess, in my head since I put this in my hair, which is today, just a couple hours ago I finished. So yeah, if you would like to see how I achieved these box braids using the rubber band method, then please continue to watch. So I achieved this style, and I did not split the hair. I used the hair as two sections, and I used my own hair as the third section. So in order to achieve this style, you're going to need some products, and the products I used included some elastic rubber bands, the elastic kind. I then used some Shea Moisture Curling Style Milk, some 100% organic shea butter, an edge control of your choice, an edge brush. Mine has a strip on there because I have a 16-year-old daughter, and I used some oil because my hair was like pretty dry, so I needed these products to help moisturize my hair. But once I braid my hair down, I take my hair and add some of that other hair with it to make it a full 3 sections, because it's already 3 sections, but I have to add some of that hair to my hair. And once I get to the end, I take it and I split it, and I don't like to do the tie method, so I just go back and forth between rotating some of the hair and switching it up to confuse the hair on how it comes down. So I'm going to show you again with another braid. I just use my hair once again as the third section. So one thing that I will say about these braids, and I'm going to get out of here, I'm not going to tarry on too long, but one of the things that I will say is these braids are not tight. I mean, I don't know whether it's because I used the rubber band method or what, because the gripping was so easy. I mean, there was like maybe once or twice where I had to take one down and redo it, but the gripping was so easy. My head is not hurting, it's not tight, it's not, I mean, it's just like, it's awesome. And even though, you know, I do my own hair, even when I do the smaller braids, and they're not tight, but they are, I grip them a little bit tighter than what I had to do this, and it's probably because of the fact that I have the rubber band method with this one. I think that once the style wears on me, because like I said, I am so questioning myself whether or not this style looks right, whether or not I'm too old for this style. I mean, it's just so many things that are going through my head now with this style, and it's probably because it's new to me. I did put rods on the end of this hair because I thought I wanted it curly, but I changed my mind and I went back and I dipped it in water to straighten the ends back out. Here's where they fall on me in the front and in the back. Let's see, can you see that? So I hope that's a good enough view to see where they fall. My head was like, my hair was pretty dry. I had to moisturize really good because my hair was kind of dry from being in the protective style that it was in, but I moisturized it and it's good to go now. I'm not sure how long I'm going to keep this in. I do want to flat iron my hair before the cold weather ends, but right now with my workouts and stuff, yeah, it's just not in the cards, but maybe like in January or something like that, I will take a couple of weeks and just take a break and flat iron my hair, because I do want to flat iron my hair, as well as possibly get it trimmed or trim it myself to make sure that it is, you know, healthy and all that good jazz. So with all that being said, thank you so much for coming back to watch another one of my videos. I do hope you enjoyed the tutorial and that, you know, you'll give this a try. And please leave your comments and let me know, how do you think this looks? Do you think I'm like, this is not the style for me? Or do you think it's like, yeah girl, you better rock those braids? At any rate, thank you so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. Y'all just don't be knowing how many times I messed that up, you know, so it's like, don't mess it up again. But anyway, until the next time, in a between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? See you in the next one. Bye.